Coinbase is trying to warn us about something. A trillion Shiba Inu is not a joke. The stuff just went serious, not much time left. In addition to that, a Shiba Inu team member confessed something. We all were wrong for so long, and now the real truth is here. But how will the whales react? And why is today a very crazy day? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. In the last 24 hours, some interesting moves have happened in the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency world. Large investors, often called whales, have actually added over 1.12 trillion Shiba Inu tokens to their wallets, according to data from Into the Block. Looking at a metric called large holder net flow, which measures the flow of Shiba Inu into wallets holding at least 0.1% of its total supply, we can see a big shift. Just yesterday, the net flow for Shiba Inu was at a negative 950 billion tokens, meaning a lot of large holders had pulled out. But today, that number has flipped to a positive 170 billion tokens. This swing reveals an overall increase of over 1 trillion Shiba Inu in the large investors' wallets. Now, that net flow metric gives us a window into how these big players are thinking. When net flow spikes upward, it's usually a sign that they're buying in and boosting their positions, signaling confidence. But when it dips, like it did yesterday, it usually means they're selling or stepping back, which can trigger a lot of anxiety in the community. Yesterday's negative flow had people worried. It felt like a signal that major holders might be losing faith. But today, with net flow back in the positive and whales adding to their holdings, there's a sense of relief. This shift has reassured people that confidence among large investors may be coming back, calming fears and restoring some hope in the market. But there's actually something even bigger stirring up excitement in the Shiba Inu community today. Recently, an intriguing development has unfolded. Whales sent over 1.67 trillion Shiba Inu tokens to Coinbase, which is America's largest crypto exchange. The tracking platform Whale Alert was the first to highlight these moves, confirming that 1.6 Shiba Inu tokens were transferred from 3 different whale wallets to a central Coinbase wallet. This move has caused a lot of buzz, mainly because of Coinbase's involvement. Whenever Coinbase becomes part of the picture, it usually hints that something significant is about to happen. People are talking because Coinbase isn't just any exchange. Its actions can often influence the market. Such a large amount of Shiba Inu sent to Coinbase, the community is on high alert, anticipating that this transfer might lead to something big, perhaps a major announcement or a new partnership. The fact that whales are involved adds to the suspense, as these big players rarely make moves like this without a reason. To give some background, we recently saw 3 huge transfers of Shiba Inu tokens to Coinbase, each one moving an identical amount of Shiba Inu. The first whale transferred 558 billion tokens to a Coinbase wallet, a move worth over $10 million. But at almost the exact same time, 2 other whales followed suit, sending the same amount of Shiba Inu to that very same Coinbase address. Altogether, these 3 transactions amounted to 1.6 trillion tokens, worth over $31 million in Shiba Inu alone. And now, to put this into perspective, these combined transactions represent nearly 0.3% of the total circulating supply of Shiba Inu. That 0.3% might sound small at first, but in a market as active as Shiba Inu's, it's actually a big deal. Moving this much of the token supply onto an exchange often points to a potential sell-off, which could slow down any recent growth. When whales, who tend to hold large stakes and have market-moving power, make moves like this, especially onto an exchange, it naturally sparks concern. The fear is that if these tokens were to be sold off, it could push down Shiba Inu's price, dampening the optimism and momentum the community has built up. What's also capturing everyone's attention is that these were 3 separate transactions, each with the exact same amount of Shiba Inu. This isn't something you see every day, and it has people wondering why such a precise amount was chosen each time. Usually, when large transfers happen, the amounts vary a bit, depending on what each whale is doing. But this perfect repetition feels too coordinated to be random, making people speculate that it could signal some kind of planned move or strategy. The identical amounts add an extra layer of mystery, leaving the community curious about what's really behind these transfers and whether they're part of something bigger. But there may actually be a simple explanation behind all this. An investigation by the Crypto Basic suggests that there's no need for alarm. After closely examining these 3 whale addresses, it appears they might actually belong to Coinbase itself. This would mean that the exchange was simply shuffling around its own Shiba Inu holdings. In fact, these addresses have been receiving Shiba Inu from Coinbase wallets as far back as September 2021 during the last big crypto surge, and they continue to accumulate billions of Shiba Inu over the past few years. After each collected 558 billion tokens, these wallets sent them back to the central Coinbase wallet, named Coinbase 10, just yesterday. Plus, data from Arkham Intelligence confirms these three wallets are indeed Coinbase deposit wallets. Since these transactions, the three wallets now hold 0 Shiba Inu, while the Coinbase 10 wallet holds around 240 billion Shiba Inu, indicating that it has already moved most of the tokens elsewhere. This could mean Coinbase is using the assets to fulfill withdrawal requests from customers, which would actually be a positive sign. According to data from CryptoQuant, Shiba Inu reserves on exchanges have hit an all-time low of 137 trillion tokens. An all-time low in exchange reserves is important because it means there's less Shiba Inu available for immediate selling, a sign that more investors are choosing to hold their Shiba Inu rather than sell it. This has the community watching closely, since low reserves combined with high demand often lead to a supply crunch, which can potentially boost prices. With Coinbase at the center of these moves, everyone is staying tuned, wondering if this could signal something big on the horizon. And here's something very important. With the crypto market gaining momentum again and Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs, there's a new warning from someone who knows the space very well. Changpeng Zhao, the ex-CEO of Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, just a couple of hours ago, advised investors to apply proper risk management and not let greed take over. He cautioned, "Don't put your eggs in one basket." Ape slowly, sharing this advice on Twitter. This advice is especially important when it comes to Shiba Inu. The token has had some wild swings in the past, with its price jumping up and down unpredictably. For people holding Shiba Inu, it's crucial to remember that while the gains can be huge, the risks are also significant. Shiba Inu's volatility can be both exciting and nerve-wracking, so it's wise to be cautious and avoid putting all your funds into one asset. Diversifying your investments and being mindful of your risk can help protect you from those sharp drops that can come out of nowhere. In a market as unpredictable as crypto, patience and careful planning go a long way. And unpredictable things are really what's coming for Shiba Inu. Something unexpected happened today, and it is yet to be seen how the market will react. Something unexpected happened. A member of the Shiba Inu team, known by the pseudonym Kusama, shared an image featuring the very first Shiba Inu logo, which has some interesting new details. Kusama revealed that the dog who originally inspired Shiba Inu's mysterious founder, Ryoshi, is named Este, not the same dog that many had thought. For years, a lot of people believed the dog behind Shiba Inu was Kabosu, the same dog that inspired Dogecoin. But it turns out, as of now, that Este is the true muse behind the Shiba Inu meme coin. This revelation comes as a surprise to many, especially newcomers to the community. For so long, everyone assumed Kabosu was the iconic dog behind both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So, learning that it's actually Este is a big twist, and it's left people questioning what this could mean for the Shiba Inu project's identity. With all these surprises happening, it's hard to predict how the market will react to such a sudden shift in understanding. That's why advice like CZ's to apply proper risk management feels more relevant than ever. With the unexpected becoming a common theme in crypto, it's important to be prepared and not let excitement cloud judgment. However, despite the surprises and twists surrounding Shiba Inu, analysts are predicting a potential 30% rally as the coin has formed a technical pattern known as a cup and handle. This pattern, which looks like a U followed by a slight dip, is often seen as a sign that an uptrend could continue. So, with all the recent developments, this is a very interesting time to be around. But what is your opinion on that? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.
Shiba Inu price crash is far from over, and it won't be that easy to fix it. Whales are rushing 10 trillion Shiba Inu tokens risk just to save it from going to zero. This is a massive signal that occurred just a couple of hours ago. The crypto world is on edge. But what is actually going on? Well, let me explain. As the crypto world braces itself for tumultuous times, the recent crash in the market sends shockwaves across the digital landscape. Investors are on edge as the value of cryptocurrencies plunges, signaling a potentially rocky road ahead. Prominent voices on Twitter echo the concerns. None more notable than a tweet by an influential user shedding light on Bitcoin's impending journey into what they dub the danger zone. According to this analysis, historical precedents suggest that Bitcoin tends to experience significant retraces in the weeks leading up to halving events. In the case of the upcoming halving, Bitcoin is merely 32 days away from the crash. Delving into the concept of pre-halving retraces, history serves as our guide. In 2016, Bitcoin saw a staggering retracement of 40% just before the halving. Fast forward to 2020, and a retracement of 20% sent shockwaves through the market. These retraces, though daunting, were merely precursors to the eventual resurgence of the cryptocurrency. Currently, Bitcoin finds itself in the midst of a similar retracement, mirroring patterns from pre-halving to the halving. With a pullback of 11% this week alone, the sentiment among investors is one of caution and apprehension. As the countdown to the halving continues, the crypto community braces itself for what lies ahead, hoping that history will once again repeat itself, paving the way for a renewed bullish trajectory. And in a following tweet, the same Twitter user delivers a sobering message. Bitcoin will retrace deep enough to convince you that the bull market is over, and then it will resume. It's a stark reminder that amidst the chaos and uncertainty, the resilience of Bitcoin remains unwavering. So yeah, according to this Twitter user, many individuals might be tempted to jump ship amidst the looming market crash, fearing the end of the bull run. However, what the tweet is saying is that while it may seem like the end of the road for the bull market, it's actually just a pit stop before Bitcoin picks up steam once again. Adding another layer to the discourse, Lucy, a member of Shiba Inu's official team, provides very clear evidence that the bull market is over. Lucy addresses a prevalent issue in the community: crypto deception. Contrary to popular belief, Lucy asserts that the true potential for wealth accumulation lies not in the green days of a bull market, but rather in the red days of a bear market. In Lucy's perspective, the misconception surrounding bull and bear markets runs deep. While many perceive bull markets as the time to cash in and make quick profits, Lucy argues that it's during bear markets that true opportunities arise. It's about strategic, and it's about the opportunity to make quick profits. It's about strategic portfolio management, she emphasizes. In red days, when prices are plummeting, Lucy advocates for a contrarian approach, buying when others are selling. Conversely, during green days when optimism abounds and profits seem imminent, Lucy advises caution, suggesting it might be time to take profits or reassess one's holdings. Lucy's message underscores the importance of adopting a long-term mindset and staying vigilant amid the volatile swings of the crypto market. It's not about chasing quick gains, but rather about strategically positioning oneself to capitalize on the market's inevitable ups and downs. And here's something very important. Amidst the tumultuous market conditions, Shiba Inu has experienced a staggering surge of 3,220% in whale activity, indicating a substantial increase in large-scale transactions. Despite the broader market downturn, institutional interest in Shiba Inu has soared, with whales making significant moves to bolster their positions in the cryptocurrency. This surge in whale activity is particularly noteworthy, as it surpasses transactions exceeding $10,000, totaling almost 10 trillion Shiba Inu in volume over the last 24 hours. Such a sharp increase in whale activity underscores a growing confidence in Shiba Inu's long-term prospects among high net worth individuals and institutional investors. In the midst of market flop, this surge in whale activity carries significant implications. While many retail investors may be panicking and selling off their holdings, many of them are still in the process of finding a way to keep their holdings stable. In the midst of market turmoil, this surge in whale activity carries significant implications. While many retail investors may be panicking and selling off their holdings, the whales are demonstrating a strategic long-term vision. Instead of succumbing to fear, they are seizing the opportunity to accumulate more Shiba Inu tokens at discounted prices. This aligns with Lucy's perspective on market dynamics, where she emphasizes the importance of strategic portfolio management during turbulent times. By capitalizing on the market's volatility and accumulating assets when others are selling, the whales are positioning themselves for potential long-term gains when the market stabilizes and begins its upward trajectory once again. The whales are now in a position to take a long-term approach to market dynamics, and the price of Shiba Inu is now at the top of the chart. Well, the growing interest in Shiba Inu stems from various factors, with its recent surge in whale activity serving as just one piece of the puzzle. However, what sets Shiba Inu apart is not just its price movements, but also its underlying fundamentals, particularly its security ranking on CertiK's leaderboard. CertiK is a leading blockchain security company known for its rigorous auditing process and comprehensive security assessments of blockchain projects. CertiK is a leading blockchain security company in the crypto space. In the crypto space, CertiK's opinion holds considerable weight, as it provides investors with valuable insights into the safety and reliability of various projects. Shiba Inu's recent ascent to the third most secure meme-based project on CertiK Security leaderboard is a testament to its commitment to security and transparency. With a security score of 90.74%, Shiba Inu is classified among the AA projects on CertiK, signifying a high level of security and trustworthiness. Shiba Inu is a leading blockchain security company known for its security and transparency. This classification underscores Shiba Inu's dedication to maintaining the integrity of its platform and protecting its users from potential vulnerabilities and threats. In a market rife with uncertainty, Shiba Inu's strong security credentials provide investors with confidence and peace of mind, further fueling the growing interest and adoption of the cryptocurrency. And just as Shiba Inu continues to solidify its position in the crypto space with its strong security ranking and growing institutional interest, its partnerships and developments further bolster its potential for an uptrend. One significant development comes from Crypto.com, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform, which recently took to two of the largest mobile app stores, Google Play and Apple's App Store, to promote Shiba Inu. This strategic move not only increases visibility for Shiba Inu, but also signals Crypto.com's confidence in the cryptocurrency's long-term viability. Additionally, BitPay, a prominent crypto payments provider, has teamed up with Transact, which is a cryptocurrency-based crypto exchange, to facilitate the purchase of Shiba Inu and other tokens. Under this partnership, BitPay customers in the United Kingdom and Europe can now purchase up to $75,000 worth of Shiba Inu tokens in a single transaction. This accessibility and ease of purchase further enhance Shiba Inu's appeal to a broader audience of investors, potentially contributing to its upward momentum in the market. These recent partnerships and developments underscore the growing recognition and adoption of Shiba Inu. Crypto.com is a crypto ecosystem. As more platforms and services integrate support for Shiba Inu, it reinforces the cryptocurrency's legitimacy and potential for sustained growth in the future. And during these challenging times in the crypto space, highlighting Shiba Inu's strong fundamentals, such as its security ranking and strategic partnerships, serves as a beacon of confidence for investors. By emphasizing its legitimacy, we can instill trust and stability in Shiba Inu, paving the way for potential growth and resilience in the future. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.